Welcome to Like Mathematics. Today we are going to learn about real numbers that include integers, rational numbers, and irrational numbers. Integers are whole valued positive or negative numbers or zero. Integers include negative numbers, positive numbers, and zero. A negative number is any number that is less than zero. The positive numbers are called as natural numbers. Natural numbers are all numbers that usually count and they will continue on into infinity. Zero is the number with no values. Whole numbers include zero and positive numbers. Integers include all whole numbers and their negative counterparts. Rational numbers are numbers that can be expressed as a fraction or ratio of two integers. P over Q is a fraction, and P and Q should be integers, but Q cannot be zero. P over 0 is not a number, does not exist. For example, 1 over 2 is a fraction, because P equals 1 and Q equals 2, and 1 and 2 are integers. Therefore, 1 over 2 or 1/2 is a rational number. 5 over 0 is not a number because Q cannot be 0, and this kind of number does not exist. Remember, rational numbers are numbers that can be expressed as a fraction or a ratio of two integers. P and Q are integers, and Q cannot be 0. Negative 3 is a rational number because negative 3 can be expressed as negative 6 over 2 or negative 6/2. Negative 0.5 is a rational number. Negative 0.5 can be expressed as negative 1 over 2 or 1/2. 0.001 is a rational number because 0.001 can be expressed as 1 over 1,000 or 1,000ths. One is a rational number because 1 can be expressed 1 over 1 or 2 over 2, so on. 2.5 is a rational number because 2.5 can be expressed 5 over 2. Irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be expressed as a fraction or ratio of two integers. For example, the square root of 2 cannot be written as a simple fraction. The square root of 2 is 1.41421356237, so on, and you cannot express it as a fraction or ratio of two integers. Pi is a famous irrational number. Pi equals 3.14159,295, so on. And you cannot express it as a fraction or ratio of two integers. It is good to memorize that the square root of 2 equals approximately 1.41 and pi equals approximately 3.14. The set of real numbers is denoted using the symbol R and is sometimes called the reals. Practically, real numbers are the numbers that you can think of: 2, -5, 1/4, square root of 2, and pi. Non-real numbers are the complex numbers that the square root of -1 is the unit imaginary number called I. In other words, the numbers that are neither rational nor irrational are non-real numbers. The real numbers include rational numbers and also the irrational numbers. Real numbers include the rational numbers, which include the integers, which in turn include the natural numbers. We have learned about real numbers that include integers, rational numbers, and irrational numbers. Thank you for watching, and please watch other related videos on my channel.